Okay, so I think you gave me the access, right?
Yeah.
So you should have 3 in your Excel file. There should be 3 tabs, which maybe you already have. No, you created 1 new tab, one that says Tennessee cases log, right? Okay, so go to the Tennessee cases, the original tab. That's empty. Okay.
No, that had the stuff from earlier, didn't it?
Okay, let's go to the middle one. Yeah, Tennessee cases log.
Oh, never
Okay,
mind.
this is no. Let me. I'm gonna change the name. So here I'm gonna say cases original. Okay, and
Okay.
that's the original one. Okay, so a couple of things here. We are going to move copy data into the 2 new tabs, but we are going to copy and paste, and we need to paste values because some of this data have formulas. And when we copy, we just want the values. We don't need the formulas anymore. So for example, I see, for example, the column with the day number, I think maybe I can select the entire column and then say copy, just cross the fingers, and I'll go to Tennessee cases. And this is where instead of hitting paste, I'm gonna use the drop down and then select paste values, okay? And
Right.
those things are now values. If you select each cell, you visit each cell, there is no formula of 1 plus that is not here anymore. So now I'm going to bring the cases, which is column E. This is going to be similar, copy, and we go there, and I do paste. Values is not so critical because those things did not have formulas, but this is okay. And now I'm gonna do something similar with the other tab. That this tab is gonna be Tennessee cases log for logarithm. Okay, so I go to the original, I copy the day, and then paste the values only. So paste values, go to original, and now I'm going to copy the log. This is the logarithm. This is a transformation. Okay, so you will see the effect it has. So now I paste the values. Okay, so we're almost at the point where you're going to produce your first deliverable. Okay, so one of the deliverables is you're going to produce using those 2 columns of data. I don't think you need to select from the very first row, but from row 2 downwards, you select the data and then you go to, where is the thing here? Insert. Yeah, insert scatter. Thomas, would you do that? Would you select all the data starting in row 2, go all the way down? It's almost 200, 200 points. Well, actually, yeah, okay. So now I selected now, go to scatter, drop down, and choose that first one, right? That one. Okay, so that may have too much, but this is your first deliverable. So you would have to maybe take a screenshot or bring that, I don't know, save that as an image. So let's do something else. I'm gonna use the mouse now. So I'm gonna go to the other tab, the log. Here we do something very similar, but instead of choosing the entire thing, I'm just gonna select a subset. So for the first, maybe almost the first 2 months, well, maybe the first 3 almost. So I select a subset and I go here to scatter and do a scatter plot. And you start seeing that the shape of this is different, right? And if I restrict maybe between day, I don't know, maybe between day 10 and 20. So maybe let me do another one. So there's, okay. I don't know. I'm going crazy with this mouse here. Okay, so they cannot get it. So I'm just gonna select something I can select from here. The smaller subset right there. Okay, insert and scatter. Okay, and so if you select this over smaller intervals or smaller subsets, then you can see the shape of these. You know, sometimes the entire data set doesn't give you a very good resolution. Okay, so that is, thank you so much, Thomas. So I think
All right.
of the remote control. So you have part of the images. One